In today's fast-paced world, capturing every moment on the road is more crucial than ever, and that's where dash cams come into play. These compact cameras not only provide an essential layer of security for your vehicle, but also serve as invaluable witnesses in case of accidents or disputes. Whether you're a daily commuter, an adventure seeker, or simply want peace of mind while driving, choosing the right dash cam can make all the difference. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best dash cams on the market, highlighting their features, benefits, and what you should consider before making a purchase. Buckle up and let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Garmin Mini 2, our pick for best budget dash cam. The Garmin Mini 2 is impressively compact, designed to seamlessly fit behind your car's rearview mirror, effectively blending into your vehicle's interior. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive full HD recording at 30 frames per second, complete with HDR capabilities. The video quality is sharp enough to clearly capture essential details such as registration plates in various lighting and weather conditions. Installation is straightforward. The minimalistic plastic arm occupies little space on your windscreen, while the ball and socket joint allows for easy adjustments to ensure optimal positioning. You'll appreciate the user-friendly interface as well. Without a display, it relies on handy shortcut buttons that let you save clips and mute the microphone with just a single touch. Additionally, the Garmin Drive smartphone app, available for both iOS and Android devices, enhances your experience by allowing you to change settings, review recorded footage, and check the camera's perspective easily. While the device includes useful features like voice controls and a G sensor to detect collisions, you might notice the absence of GPS functionality. However, unless you're specifically seeking a dash cam with advanced driver assistance features, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 offers a simple, dependable solution for recording your journeys. It embodies the essence of set-and-forget technology, reliable and unobtrusive, ensuring you stay focused on the road ahead. Number 4. Escort MAXcam 360C, our pick for best radar dash cam combo. If you're looking for a reliable dash cam that doubles as a radar detector, the Escort MAXcam 360C is an impressive choice. This device effectively combines both functionalities, providing you with peace of mind while driving. As a trusted name in radar detection, Escort MAXcam 360i can seamlessly identify all major police bands and alert you to laser detection, helping you stay informed about speed traps on your route. When it comes to video performance, you can expect solid results. The QHD camera excels during the day, capturing clear footage, while it performs reasonably well at night. Although the MAXcam 360C may not boast a wide range of luxurious features, it does include a G sensor that automatically starts recording in the event of an impact, ensuring you have crucial evidence when needed. However, it's important to note that this model does lack a backup power source. This means that if your car battery is compromised during a collision, the device will be unable to record. Despite this limitation, the MAXcam 360C is an excellent option for anyone who wants to stay vigilant against speed traps while capturing the road ahead. With a QHD resolution, a 143 degrees field of view, and a user-friendly display, you'll have everything you need for safe driving. The included 16GB microSD card offers plenty of storage, and cloud backup options are available through a subscription. Make this practical investment for both safety and peace of mind on the road. Number 3. Rove R2 4K Pro, our pick for best dash cam for 4K video. The Rove R2 4K Pro dash cam is an excellent choice if you're looking for a basic yet high-resolution camera to document your journeys on the road. Featuring sharp 4K video quality, this dash cam ensures that every detail is captured clearly, giving you peace of mind in case of any incidents. With dual-band Wi-Fi and a built-in GPS radio, you can easily track your location and share recordings whenever needed. You'll appreciate the straightforward setup process and the convenient microSD storage, which allow you to start recording right away without any hassle. While the device lacks a touchscreen, Its user-friendly interface compensates for that, ensuring you can navigate through settings with ease. Additionally, the companion app simplifies the process of viewing and downloading your recordings, making it easy to access your footage at any time. If you're someone who values clear documentation of your drives but doesn't require advanced features like cellular connectivity or driver assistance, the Rove R24K is an outstanding value for your needs. At just 2.4 inches in screen size, this compact camera fits seamlessly into your vehicle, capturing everything you need without taking up much space. With the Rove R24K, you're choosing a reliable, high-resolution dashcam that prioritizes performance and affordability. Number 2. Nexar Beam, our pick for best no-frills dash cam. The Nexar Beam is an excellent choice if you're looking for an entry-level dash cam that combines affordability with essential features. Priced reasonably, this dash cam includes standard functionality such as parking, Guardian, and G-sensor collision detection, ensuring you have peace of mind while on the road. Its advanced GPS connectivity allows for data overlay, which can be extremely useful in analyzing your driving patterns and locations. One noteworthy advantage of the Nexar Beam is its app, which can generate a comprehensive insurance incident report. This report includes crucial details like footage and precise GPS coordinates, simplifying the claims process when accidents occur. When it comes to storage, the Nexar Beam offers various models, including a 32GB option that allows you to save important footage without worry. A standout feature is its unlimited cloud storage for all G-sensor locked data. This means that all collision recordings are securely stored and accessible whenever you need them, whether it's immediately following an incident or even months later. With a resolution of 1080 pixel and a generous field of view at 135 degrees, you can trust that the Nexar Beam captures clear and wide-angle footage of your surroundings. Additionally, both Android and Apple users can easily access the app, making it simple to manage your recordings. Equip your vehicle with the Nexar Beam for enhanced safety and assurance on every journey. Number 1. Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual, our pick for best dash cam overall. If you're in the market for a top-notch dash cam, the Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual is a standout option. Designed with rideshare drivers in mind, it offers a wealth of features that can significantly enhance your driving experience and peace of mind. The front-facing camera delivers stunning 2.5K resolution video and boasts a wide 170p field of view, ensuring you capture every detail on the road. Meanwhile, the cabin-facing camera records in 1080 pixel HD with a 140p field of view, making it an invaluable tool for documenting interactions with passengers. This feature can provide crucial evidence in case of disputes or mishaps, helping you feel more secure while driving. The N2 Pro also includes a microphone to record audio, giving you another layer of protection. Plus, the rear-facing camera is equipped with infrared sensors, allowing it to capture clear footage even in complete darkness, a significant advantage if you often drive at night. However, the N2 Pro's price may give some pause, as it retails for nearly double that of other single-camera options. If you find yourself needing the added functionality of a dual-camera setup, the investment becomes more justified. While it lacks wireless video sharing, meaning you'll need to connect it to a computer to access your footage, the overall quality and practicality it provides make it a great choice for anyone serious about driving, especially in the rideshare space. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which dash cam you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.